Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Sunday, February 16th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. How do you spell soup and soap? And number 2 is to stay up late. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The soup is hot. The soup is hot. Soup. A delicious food that we eat with a spoon. Now we can make a card for soup and remember it forever. Please write soup up here in the top left corner, S-O-U-P. Down here in the bottom left corner, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. Over here the number 44 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ooh. Soup. What about you? Do you eat soup every day, sometimes, or never? Let me know in the comments. Word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer will stay up late tonight. Jennifer will stay up late tonight. Stay up late. She will go to bed later than the usual time. She will not go to bed early. Now let's make a card. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. To stay up late. Down here the code, VID 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. Over here the number 64 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner of the card. Can you do it? Very good. The 2 red letters sound like A. Yeah, like ABC. Stay. Up. Late. Stay up late. Game over. That was lots of fun. What does Jennifer eat every day? Soup. Very good. S-O-U-P. The other one is soap. S-O-A-P. We use for washing our hands. And every night, Bob, what does he do? He stays up late. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is in a newspaper, the big letters at the top. Number 2 is a body part. And number 3 is to see into the future, and know something before it happens. The missing letters are N, L, and R. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. We have 25 classes every month. Please write your language on the other side of the card.